expression given like this: f is equal to c plus ad prime plus a prime b c prime d plus ab prime c. Let's say if we have an expression given and we want to draw the k-map, how we can do it? First, you have to look at how many variables we have. We have variable c, a, b, and d. We don't have anything else, right? We have 4 different variables. So to find out how many location we are going to need, we just put 2 power number of variables, that's 4. So we are going to have 16 location k-map. Let's go ahead and draw it. Oh, so, okay, let's say we have a k-map like this. Okay, let's design the 16 location. Okay, now I have a 16 location k-map. Let's put the AB here, let's put the CD here. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, first we have C. So C is 1 and 1 at whenever we have a C1. We are going to have a 1 whenever we have a C1. C is 1 in this location, this row, and this row right here. So all the values in this one is going to be 1. It doesn't matter what others are. Since we have one of the expression, that is C is 1, we are going to have 1 for everything. The next condition we have is A has to be 1 and D has to be 0. If you have a complement, that means that has to be 0. So A is 1. Let's look at the A is 1 location. A is 1 in these 2 columns, and then D is 0. D is 0 only at this row right here. So A is 1, D is 0 at here, and also here as well. Here also A is 1, D is 0. Here also A is 1, D is 0. The third condition we have is A is 0, B is 1, and C is 0, and then D is 1. Okay, A is 0. A is 0, these 2 columns. B is 1, only one this column. And C is 0. C is 0 in these 2 columns. And D is 1, only this one right here. And here you can notice one thing. When we have one variable, it affects 8 locations. When we have 2 variables, we get like 2 of them, right? When we have 2 variables, we get 2 of them. And when we have 4 variables, we are getting only 1 location. So this is something you can notice. What about this one? We have 3. A is 1 and B is 0. C is 1. A is 1. A is 1 in these 2 columns. And then we have B is 0. B is 0 only this column right here. And we have C is 1. C is 1 only this right here. Okay, when you have 3 also, you are getting a 1 location like this. Okay, we don't have any other possible, like here also A is 1, but B is 1, B has to be 0, so we cannot take this. This is the only one, but it's already taken care of, so we don't have to worry. So those are the locations, and others are going to be 0. Let me double check if I taken care of everything possible. C is 1 when C is 1. Like we have 1 when C is 1. C is 1, these 2 rows, we take care of everything. And we have 1 when A is 1 and D is 0. A is 1, in these two columns, and D is 0, is 0 in this row. Okay, D is 0 this row and also this row as well. Here also A is 1 0, but it's already taken care of. So when we have 2, we are having 4. When we have 1, we are having 8. When we have 1, we are having 8. When we have 2, we have 4. When we have 4, we got 1. Okay. When we have 4, we got 1. From this one, what do you expect for 3 things? We have to have 2. So A, B prime. A is 1 right here, these two locations, and B is 0. B is 0 here, and okay, A is 1 and B is 0, this whole column, and then C is 1. A is 1, B is 0, C is 1, these two it's already taken care of. You know, I want to check last time. C is 1 all over the place. There's 2 rows, and then A is 1, A is 1, D is 0, A is 1, these 2 columns, and then D is 0, D is 0, these 2 rows right here. It's already taken care of. A is 1, D is 0, A is 1, these 2 columns, D is 0, these 2 rows. Okay. Let's look at this one. A is 1, A is 0, B is 1, C is 0, D is 1, A is 0, these 2 rows, B is 1 right here, C is 0. Okay, A is 0, B is 1, this whole row, and then A is 0, B is 1, yeah, this whole row right here, and then we have C is 0. C is 0, that is this one. These 2 rows, but D has to be 1. D has to be 1, right? Let me double check this one. A is 0, that is these 2 columns, and then B is 1, that is this column only, and then C has to be 0, that is these 2 rows, and then D has to be 1. D is 1 right here, so this is wrong. Okay, that's it basically. Others are going to be 0. This is 0, this 0, 0, 0. And that's how you can draw a K-map from the expression given. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.